Hi everyone, today I want to introduce the Goal Zero Torch 250. It's this USB power hub and flashlight. Comes in this box. Alright, let's take a look inside. So inside the box you get your power hub and flashlight and the user guide. So right off the bat you can see the built-in solar panel here. Okay, so if you want to charge under the sun, you can set it at a 45-degree angle, which is really nice. And on the left side we have the built-in charging cable with the USB port. What's really nice about this is that you can't lose it. It's attached and it has a little magnet on the back here, so you can just stick it right there and it won't go anywhere. So give it a little try and plug it into my power bank, and you can see that it is charging. You can also use your solar panel if you like, if you have a Goal Zero or Anchor, whatever you may have. On the right side here you have the power crank. This also has a magnet, which is nice, and it'll just stick right there. So they say that 1 minute of crank time equals 2 minutes of light. So you can see here, cranking, and it is charging. This would be great for an emergency if you need to quickly add some power to your phone or something like that. On the back you have the floodlight. Up top you have the spotlight and you have two red lights. On the opposite end you have the controls. On the left you have the floodlight, center is the spotlight, and the right side is the red light. So with the floodlight, it's 70 lumens, and on high it has a runtime of 22 hours. On low it has a runtime of 48 hours, and off. And for the spotlight, on high it has a runtime of 7 hours. Low it has a runtime of 15 hours. And then here on your right you have the red light, and then you have a flashing red light, and off. And you can see the indicator here tells you how much power you have left. And here we have our USB port, so you can charge your devices. And then right here we have the integrated hanger, and great for camping or wherever you might need it, just something to hang on to. And one last note, this side is flat, so you are able to stand it up, but this side with the light is not actually flat. Maybe not a big deal, but just to let you know. So overall, just thought this was a great emergency product, a great everyday carry product, or even a camping product. I love the idea of having the hand crank as a last resort for a little bit of power, and hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.